Spargo goes through in third. Quattararo's wide though. Launch off the line from pole that Johan Zarco was looking for. He's been swallowed up now as well. Line there and further back from Danilo Petrucci. Just looking at Spargo now, charges up the inside. And Fabio Quattararo, can he hold on? Mixing it with the big boys at the front. Valentino Rossi did not Morbidelli then with clear track in front of him, already getting his head down. Also, he's 8/10 of a second clear already on this opening line. Morbidelli has got a gigantic lead already over Aleix. Spargo's wide into the first corner. No second invitation required for Fabio. Is he trying to hang it around the outside? He is, of his teammate. Look at the number at the back. Somebody's wide there as well. What's he doing? Well, in fact, Spargo is going to lose another place here as well to Alex Rins. So later he's a scrapper, and that's exactly what he's done from him last time. And another bit there on his team. He's coming under real pressure though from Binder, who's dive bombing him from wide laces. Spargo just about squeezes, but lost place to Alex Rins as well. Dovizioso's up to 12th. He's just behind Nakagami. This Miller's down in 16th place. Here comes Johan Zarco trying. Yeah, unfortunately for Alex Spargo, what he's lacking is what he needs most. If fair in the top 6 here in Brno, there's no brotherly love lost. 10th or 2. Binder's challenging the World Championship. Is Binder going to have a poke? The world, this pace, he hasn't got the experience, of course, when the Alex Rins. What a job he's doing still in 7th place. He's currently for the top 5. It was unrealistic to think he was probably going to be fighting for the... He's got the pace to be able to contend for the podium, but it does show the Frenchman his front wheel. He will try, don't worry. Outside, find any door open, and Juan Mir's gone down with Mick. Briefly got up the inside of Johan Zarco, but he's immediately... Apologies to Portuguese fans out there. Quite wide. He needs to be going away past Joe. At the front, by the way, stabilised in about a second as we were on board here with Spargo tries again at turn 3. He tried this on the last lap, then couldn't he? And what happened with Brad? He's going to pay. Oh, you know what? Dry race podium. That is going to smart. It's going to sting massively. Nothing going from Maverick Vinales at all. Last time around, Spargo and Alex Rins here might just try and capitalise on the home straight. Can't shoot earlier in F1 at turn 13. Seemed to knock the stuff about him early on. Yeah, it's not his, but he'd have to come on a lot stronger than this. So in the background there, you can see that Dobby's made up another place. He's to really dig into Quattararo and Binder. Really comfortable and smooth. It's fair to say that Fabio Quattararo will go up the inside of Fabio Quattararo. No, not quite as they do. Massive future stars in motoGP. Morbidelli again is just hovering anything between a secondary comfortably. Johan Zarco, he is clinging on to this, still nowhere near 100% fit, and what he 8.4, just a fraction slower with a 58. Put it up the inside of the World Championship leader. He's done it. Inside line, he knows that Quattararo can't turn it on him. Bravo! Can he break away from Fabio Quattararo? His 2 KTMs on the podium right now. Tower ready for pit by, because I think he might be about to pass out. And do you know what? At least one spot to Quattararo, just about clings on, quite get there. And all that hard work he's going to do all over again. He's wide again. He's gone down! He's gone down! It was just too much to ask between him and Johan. Part of the circuit where he got contact with Morbidelli last year on those guys, hasn't he, again? Yeah, not surprisingly. Now, the Red Bull KTM. And here comes Zarco, chasing by Quattararo. Quattararo's having grip on now, so it is Morbidelli, top 3 in Brno. Well, in halfway stage of the race, and you do not is a second behind him. Which leader Fabio Quattararo is in 4th. Morbidelli. Yeah, Nakagami, likewise, on Maverick Vinales, and that means Vinales second. There must have been a mistake, surely, from Franco Morbidelli. Yeah, there's so much more confidence where it is on the front tyre. And they come down to start lap number 13. Will it be an unlucky 13-2 from Morbidelli? 58.6 from Binder. The laps of South Africa, you are witnessing something more than a... It's if Can he keep his power? Up the inside he goes. The rookie, Brad Binder, on the Red Bull KTM, and straight away, 2 or 3 bike lengths, he ekes out on Grand Prix in Moto 3 for Red Bull KTM. He's won a world, but he was almost having his knee down. The circuit was filthy. It's jaws hitting the floor. In the background, by the way, Rins is still Franco Morbidelli quite quickly. We've seen the back of Johan Zarco at KTM last year. I mean, he gets 1-0. Now he's hoping that Binder's overcooking that. But what a moment. There's Polis Barger, he's shaking. Davide Tard's talking for quite a long time now with Ultra official Rick Crop. Okay, further back. This is the situation rivals at this moment that you would say are going past him. But at this end, no, not quite. MotoGP race, we remind you, ladies and gentlemen. Brad Binder's come in the world that we've had the pleasure of watching having fantasy 16. That bike was nowhere near a podium threat in dry conditions. Right there is Fabio Quartararo, and contact between Rins and Fabio, but not for long, because here he comes again. They're all closing. Well, if Zarco does keep it together and hang on to Rins and Rossi at bay at the moment. Up the inside of Fabio Quartararo, he's made it stick, has he? But here comes Fabio again. No room. Simon.
Guys, I just wanted to say, can you
Messi a Ducati potentially getting down? In here goes Rossi, 2 on the World Championship. We've only got a few minutes to analyse this at the end. I'm not sure really where we're going to start. The horsepower to the ground. Never been in the GP podium as Miguel Oliveira does eventually make quite light work. A motoGP race winner, a KTM-led tyre that's 70.5 laps old. Brad Binder. I mean, is he Fabio? And I am too, but we have the pleasure of commentating on him in 26. He's a charming chap. The most approachable beauties of this job you get to watch all tonight to celebrate, that's for sure. The funny thing is, that KTM garage at the moment, Johan Zarco and Valentino Rossi. Now, unless Zarco's tyre falls, courageous podiums I've seen for a long time if he pulls it off. Fastest for Alex Rins. It was Alex Rins last year, and these latter laps on. Rather ironically, they're catching Franco Morbidelli as well. There's not on Zarco for traction now. Look how quickly Zarco stood that up the hill through turn 11 and 12. The factory's on the podium. It's going to be a long last lap for Johan Zarco as well, celebrating something later on. He is in 2 wheels, off-road, road racing, and now they're about to take a step in for KTM. Winning the Moto.
As a ex-rider, I admire him so much. It's not time management and that, but you can win like that. Unbelievable.
It is outrageous. Zarco's got nothing left out of that rear tyre. Catherine, you can just see how tentative Zarco now. He's got a couple of chances left, hasn't he? Looks like he might have it covered. We have witnessed a golden moment, a blazing victory for Binder. He takes second and Zarco holds on to third, but you have to ride. What a race, what a performance by the Johan Zarco on the podium in 3rd place at the first time that team in your life.